How to disable gallery stories in Samsung mobile phones. So let's start the video. First of all, open gallery. In gallery, here you can see the menu option. Now click on menu and then click on settings. After clicking on settings, then here you can see the option auto create stories. If you turn this button on, then turn it off and also turn off notifications. After that, go back to your home screen and open your settings. In settings, scroll down and click on apps and then click on sort and filter icon and then click on show system apps. Now click on OK and then search here gallery stories. Now click on it and here you can force stop your gallery stories. Now click on force stop and here you can disable your gallery stories. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.